suspicions about the case between Tom Robinson and Mayella?
Well, it was weird how the doctor wasn't called and how nobody heard about it until Atticus spoke up.
That's true. Well, thank you for your participation. I'll let you know if anything else happens. Just contact me if you have any more answers to give me.
No problem.
Okay, Bob. What did you see on the day that Tom Robinson was at your house?
Well, I reckon he raped my daughter because I looked in the window and Mayella was screaming and I looked up and I seen him in the window raping my daughter, and I ran around and he was gone.
So, do you know how to read and write?
Yeah.
Show me. Show me. Let's see. Check my suitcase. Write your name right there. Write your name.
Okay. What does that have to do with anything?
You're left-handed?
Yeah.
That's all I need to ask. Just go back to your seat. Okay. Mayella, who were you more scared of? Your dad or Tom Robinson?
Tom Robinson.
What did you experience on that day?
Well, I was getting home from working, and then Tom Robinson did that to me. That right there. It raped me.
Okay, that's all I have to say. Go back to your spot. Okay, Tom. Did you go to Mayella's house more than once?
Yes, yes I did. 3 times.
Why?
To help her with her chores.
So, let me get this straight. You asked her, no, she asked you to do little things for her, and she asked you if you wanted to get paid?
Yes, she did.
Okay, that's all I have to say.
How do you feel about Atticus's morality when he tries to save Tom Robinson after he was already jailed? How do you feel? You feel pretty good?
Do you do that?
It feels crazy.
She feels crazy about it. You would do it?
Sure.
I'm proud of you. That's good. That's the interview. Morality when he tries to save Tom Robinson after they lost the court trial.
Emotionally not reaching. Too much sweat.
Great. Thank you. How do you feel about Atticus's morality when he tried to save Tom Robinson even after he was guilty?
I don't even remember this, okay?
She doesn't even remember.
Woo!
You have it.
That's my answer. You can't ask me a second question.
Okay, okay, your turn.
Yeah, it's my turn. Okay. Have you read the book To Kill a Mockingbird?
Yes!
Alright, well I would ask you another one, but that wouldn't be fair according to modern rules, so go ahead.
Yeah. How do you feel about Atticus's morality after trying to save Tom Robinson?
Morality is good. Okay, my turn. So, have you ever read Lord of the Rings?
No. My turn.
This is a boring interview. It's kind of like, you should change the format a little bit or something.
What do you want me to do?
Oh yeah. Let's you know how to dance?
Yes, I do.
If I put on a dancing song, will you dance to it?
Yes.
That would make for a great interview.
Yes.
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 Yeah.
The cha-cha slide. You know the cha-cha slide?
Yes.
Dude, but you gotta put your clown mask on too.
No, dude.
Clown mask or something.
Obama.
Don't worry.
No, clown.
I'm putting Obama on.
Here, use this one. Use this one.
Now, they might not like that in here, so if
Yeah.
security says take it off, you'll know
I'm
why.
wearing Obama mask.
I'm an Obama fan, just FYI.
Okay, now what we need to do, I'll help you. Now stand over here. All you have to do is do what I do. Okay, first wiggle your fingers, shake your toes, get funky, do whatever you like. Okay, that's right. That is an easy dance, so just follow the leader. Okay, here's the easy part. Good. Very good. Give him a hand, everybody. Give him a hand. Okay. Watch me. Go left. Now step back. Big hop. Yeah, like that. Stomp right foot. Left foot.
God.
Oh my god.
No, you do not just set it in front of me.
Go forward, then back. Turn all the way around. Step left. Up, down, back. Big hop. Oh yeah, stomp your right foot. Now stomp your left foot. Forward. Remember to spin your hands. He needs to spin his hands. Come on, go right. Now go
Obama knows how
left.
to do it. Obama.
Step way back. Big hop. Bigger hop.
Big hop.
Oh yes. 1, 2. You have to know how to count. 1, 2. Left side. Now do the right side. This is the fun part. Now the crisscross the other way. You have to do it this way. Yeah.
God.
Okay. Keep your eyes on it. Okay, go left. Step back. 1, 2.
Oh my God. Oh my God, really?
Okay, now you have that.
Oh my God, look at it. Oh my God.
Now this time.
This is a little awkward for y'all, huh?
You were good.
Very nice, very nice.
Action.
What was your decision?
I think he's guilty.
What?
But we have no proof.
What's she talking about, Willis?
So I think we should move to another jail cell until we can make a decision.
Okay, Mayala, what did you experience on the day that Tom Robinson raped you?
Well, he was in my house.